5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Work.
Yo, listen up, it's Coach CHAPLET on the mic. Got the fire in my soul, ready to ignite. Tired of that flabby belly, that sluggish feeling. Time to break free, start a new revealing. No more excuses, no more waiting around. Get up, get moving, let the rhythm pound. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, from fact to fix, a brand new you today. Six-pack abs, sculpted physique, that's the goal. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance to reach your soul. Burn those calories, build those muscles strong.
2,
Transform
1,
your body where
rest.
you belong. Sweat it out, push your limits, don't be shy. With every workout you'll fly, fly, fly. Whether you're gaining, losing, or just staying fit, my videos are tailored, no need to quit. From beginner to pro, I've got you covered.
Work.
With routines that are fun, never feel smothered. High intensity, low impact, whatever your style. We'll conquer those challenges mile after mile. Nutrition tips, motivation galore. Coach CHAPLET's got you, and so much more. Six-pack abs, sculpted physique, that's the goal. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance to reach your soul. Burn those calories, build those muscles strong. Transform your body where you belong. Sweat it out, push your limits, don't be shy. With every workout you'll fly, fly, fly.
2, 1,
So join the movement.
rest.
Let's make a change. Together we'll conquer, no more rearrange. Embrace the journey, the sweat, the pain. You'll emerge stronger, I knew you today. Six-pack abs, sculpted physique, that's the goal. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance to reach your soul.
Work.
Burn those calories, build those muscles strong. Transform your body where you belong. Sweat it out, push your limits, don't be shy. With every workout you'll fly, fly, fly. Coach CHAPLET leading the way to a healthier, happier you every day.
For 2, 1, rest.
Tired of belly blows, that floppy feeling. Time to transform, a new you revealing. No more excuses, no more waiting around. Get up, get moving, let the rhythm pound. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. From flabby to fit, I'm bringing you today.
5, 4, 3, 2, work.
Flatten that belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline you'll find. The key to success is right in your hand. With Coach CHAPLET, you'll understand. Forget the fad diets, the quick fixes, the lies. Real results come from dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to ignite your inner strength, your willpower to fight. High intensity, low impact, whatever your style. We'll conquer those challenges mile after mile. Listen to your body and fuel it with care.
2,
Coach CHAPLET's
1,
guidance, you'll
rest.
Flat downs, that's the goal you see. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll be free. Flatten that belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline you'll find. The key to success is right in your hands. With Coach CHAPLET, you'll
Work.
understand. Forget the fad diets, the quick fixes, the lies. Real results come from dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to ignite your inner strength, your willpower to fight. High intensity, low impact, whatever your style. We'll conquer those challenges mile after mile. Listen to your body, fuel it with care. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll go far. Six-pack abs, that's the goal you see. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll be free. Flatten that belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline you'll find.
Rest.
The key to success is right in your hands. With Coach CHAPLET, you'll understand. So turn the movement, let's make a change. Together we'll conquer, no more rearrange. Embrace the journey, the sweat, the pain. You'll emerge
4, 3, 2, 1. Work. Rest. Work.
Yo, check it, it's all CHAPLET in the house. Got the fire burning, ready to let loose. Tired of the belly blows, I finally feeling. Time to transform a new you, revealing. No more excuses, no more waiting around. Get up, get moving, let the rhythm pound. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. From 5 to fit, a brand new you today. Six-pack abs, that's the goal you see. The coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll be free. Fun like belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline, you'll find. The key to success is right in your hand. With Coach CHAPLET, you'll understand.
Rest.
Forget the fat diets, the quick fixes, the lies. The results come from dedication, no surprise. My videos are tailored, designed to ignite your inner strength, your willpower.
3,
to fight.
2,
My intensity
1.
will impact whatever
Work.
style. We'll conquer those challenges mile after mile. Listen to your body, fuel it with care. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll go far. Six-pack abs, that's the goal you see. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll be free. Fun like belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline, you'll find. The key to success is right in your hand. With Coach CHAPLET, you'll understand. Some days will be tough, you wanna give up, but remember your why, your goal,
Rest.
your cup of determination, fill it to the brim. With Coach CHAPLET support, you'll never be dim. Push those limits, break those barriers down. You got the power, you're the champion crown. Yourself with victory, a flat belly so strong. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you belong. Your six-pack abs, that's the goal you see. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll be
Work.
free. Fun like belly, sculpt your core. Get the definition you've been yearning for. It's not about shortcuts, it's about the grind. Consistency and discipline, you'll find. The key to success is right in your hand. With Coach CHAPLET, you'll understand. So join the movement, let's make a change. Together we'll conquer, no more rearrange. Embrace the journey, the sweat, the pain. You'll emerge stronger under use again. Show you the day.
Rest. One. Work.
Yo, listen up, it's Coach CHAPLET on the scene. Got the fire in my soul, ready to make you lean. Tired of the sluggish feeling, that lack of energy? Time to unleash your potential, feel the synergy. Full body cardio's the key to unlock a healthier, happier you, a powerful shock. Get your heart bumping, muscles burning bright. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll take flight. Full body cardio's the ultimate blast. Burns those calories, makes your body last. From head to toe, every muscle engaged. With Coach CHAPLET's workouts, you'll be rearranged. But it's not just exercise, it's what you consume. Fuel your body right, watch it bloom. Healthy foods, nutrition's the game. With Coach CHAPLET's guidance, you'll never
One.
be the same.
Great work.